turn your proposal into a once-in-a-lifetime memory with the elegance of CV Linen's event decor.
We start by unboxing our breathtaking floral 3D backdrop. Lush, realistic florals make this backdrop the perfect way to bring romance to life, setting the stage for your special moment. Next, we pair it with the stunning double heart frame arch backdrop. This elegant metal arch is designed to symbolize love and unity, making it a gorgeous centerpiece for any proposal, engagement party, or wedding backdrop decor. With CV Linens, it's easy to design a magical setting that not only looks picture perfect, but also creates memories to last a lifetime. From romantic backdrops to proposal decor essentials, CV Linens has everything you need to bring your vision to life. To elevate the atmosphere, we add floating candles in glass vases, filling the space with soft romantic lighting. Around the base of the arch, we add faux rose petals, scattered to complete the dreamy look and enhance the romantic vibe. And to make the big question truly unforgettable, we finish the setup with our popular Will You Marry Me neon sign. This eye-catching statement piece ensures your proposal moment shines as bright as your love story. Make your proposal, engagement, or wedding day truly unforgettable with the timeless elegance of CV Linens.